This is how to fix Elden Ring stuttering. So for the first step, you should go to the search, type in task manager. Make sure to open this one. Now go to the search and type in Steam. If you do find it running, make sure to terminate it. Now you need to extend this Windows taskbar section until you see these CPU and memory processes. You need to keep them and ensure that they are below 100%. The lower that you keep them, the better performance they give you in the game. So scroll through all of these processes and terminate any useless or suspicious service or application. After that, you need to go to the Windows icon. After that, go to settings. Now from here, go to Windows Update, bottom left corner. Next, you need to download and install all of the updates that you will find right here. Even if you do have pending or failed updates, you need to select retry all. That way you prevent any issue of compatibility that will happen. Next, go to the search and type in device manager. Open this one, and then you need to go to display adapters right here. Open this one. Now select your graphics card. Do not select the integrated one like Intel right here. Select your strongest one, which is NVIDIA or AMD most likely. Right click on it and select update driver. After that, select search automatically for drivers and click on close. Once done, go to the search again and type in NVIDIA. You will find this NVIDIA app appearing, so you need to click on it. After that, go to drivers and select this icon. And from here, you need to ensure that you have already installed the latest available driver. So select the download button appearing in this place. And that's it. Now you can just relaunch the Elden Ring game and see if the problem is gone. If you do find it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.